Hello guys, this is Arvind. Welcome back to Python Fundamental Series. In this video, I am going through conditional statements in Python. This is a quite simple video, but let's move on to the statements. So in Python, uh, there is a if-else conditional statement. Okay, so any conditional statements are used to change the execution flow based on the provided condition met, either true or false. If you see in this diagram, so there is I'm asking question like, are you fine? If it is true, then you can uh, play football, and the statement is false, then you can execute another set of uh, functions, consult doctor. So based on the true or false statement, so execution flow will be directed. So similar way in Python, if else statement, sorry, here syntax, if condition is true, then statement 1 will be executed. If it is in the else case, statement 2 will be executed. So we'll be having like nested if else also. Let's move on to the demo, how we can execute or how we can use if else statement in Visual Studio Code. So I'm just opening Visual Studio Code here. So let me create new file. So I'm just creating a new text file. This gives option to select a language. Over here I'll select Python. Okay, so our Python file is ready now. We can start writing code. Let's declare one variable x equal to 20. In the next statement, I am checking for if x is greater than 20. Okay, so we have to give a colon after the statement. Then we need to start after one tab from the beginning. So this is called indentation. So in Python, indentation is very important because Python statements will understand based on the indentation. So if you declare from here, so this Python will understand whatever the statement you are going to write over here, that belongs to the first statement. So let's type here print x is greater than 20. Okay, next what I will do, if I want to write else condition, I have to put back in the same line. So else I'll put here, again I'll start writing from one tab. After one tab, print else lesser than 20. So these are the two statements I have written. So either you should go to the first block or the second block. Let me run this one. I'll go here and select the file. I'll save it here. I'll save as, and what is giving here, x equal to 20, line number 1. 1 second, give me a minute. So what is this actually? Okay, so it is executed here less than. Okay, so it's you can see the result here lesser than 20. Okay, so this is because x is equal to 20 I have given here. I am checking for the greater than. Definitely it won't execute the first flag, it will goes to the else part. But anyhow, this is wrong. Then we have to add one more condition, else if, nothing but else if x equal to 20. I am adding one more condition here. Then what should give here? It should be equal to 20. Equal to 20. Then else condition we can write. Else print here, so less than 20. I'll just type here less than 20. Okay, now I have written the three statement. First, the if condition, x is greater than 20 or x equal to 20, or the third statement by default it will be less than. So if I run this now, so result should be equal to 20. This is perfect. This is what we expected, right? So this is like the linear way of execution. So there is like, it's a simple way, like if else if else. So there is one more method. If you want to check some value within the block, that means like nested if. So if I want to write some condition over if is greater than 20, if it is less than equal to 20, then if I want to check here another if condition, then you can start from this indentation. If uh, x equals to, let me do one thing. If it is true, then x equal to what I can write here, x equal to 20 I have written right here. So I'll make do one thing here, x equal to 20 greater than 20, or here I'll check here if x is less than, again if I want to check something value, will some do val I mean proper check over here. If x is greater than 20, x is less than 20, I'll add at the end else. I'll put the condition over here, else if equal to 30, equal to 30. Okay, I'll just put this one, and again I need to do one more indentation here. So print equal to 30. So I have written over here, I'll change the value to 30 here. Now what will happen if x is greater than 20, or I'll make it 10. So it comes to here, I'll change it to 10 also here, and I'll give it 10 also here. Okay, now what will happen? X is 10, so definitely these two blocks will not execute. It comes to the else condition. If x is 10, then equal to 10 it should print, or else I'll write else condition over here. So again I'll print one more condition here, print less than 20. Okay, so I have written like this. So now this is the if else, nested if else. So there is a one if else statement, and inside else I have written one more if else. So if I run it again, so the result should be equal to 10. This is how we can execute. We can add as number of if else statements based on the requirement. Yeah, this is about how we can use the if else statement in Python. Thank you for watching this video.